So, you're ready to unlock the hidden potential of your data. But where do you begin with Tableau? Let's delve into the practical steps of importing and utilizing existing Tableau templates to visualize your data efficiently. To start your template journey, a common resource is Tableau Public and other online sources, which offers a vast library of pre-built dashboards. You can also get them from your company data team. These templates are designed to address various analytical needs, allowing you to quickly visualize and analyze your data. Before you begin, locate and grab the twbx file, which is a packaged Tableau workbook containing your template design and any sample data. Open the twbx file in Tableau Desktop to begin your analysis of your unique data. Once the template is loaded, the next step is to start connecting to your data. Navigate to the Data Source tab, locate your existing data connection, and choose or connect to your data source. This is where you'll link your Tableau template to the specific source you want to analyze. After selecting your data source, you'll need to import the data into the template, typically by selecting your data table into the design pane. Tableau automatically creates fields from your data, ready to be visualized. Once you've connected your data, experience the magic of the ready-made dashboard. Charts and graphs ensure that all your fields are properly populated and any filters correctly, reflecting your specific data insights. If any errors or adjustments are needed, it's time to troubleshoot. This may involve reviewing and adjusting field assignments or creating custom calculations. Feel free to rename or change fields to match the template's expectations and design. There you have it. You've effectively transformed a pre-built template into a custom dashboard by incorporating your data. Start exploring, fine-tune the design, and leverage your own data to share your stories.